Hello, this is Space Daily News. The Perseverance rover carries two microphones, letting us directly record the sounds of Mars for the very first time. Even though Earth and Mars are entirely different planets, it may be comforting to know that if you were on Mars, you might still sound pretty much like yourself. If you were standing on Mars, you'd hear a quite a more muffled version of what you'd hear on Earth, and you'd wait slightly longer to hear it. On Mars, the atmosphere is entirely different, but the biggest change to audio would be to high-pitched sounds, higher than most voices. Some sounds that we are used to on Earth, like whistles, bells or bird songs, would almost be inaudible on Mars. Mars has an unusual atmosphere compared to Earth, with a very different temperature, density and chemistry. This difference would have three main effects on the sound you'd hear. First is speed of sound. Sounds emitted in the cold Martian atmosphere would take slightly longer to get to your ear. With an average surface temperature around -81 degrees, Mars has a lower speed of sound, around 540 miles per hour, compared to about 760 miles per hour on Earth. Second is volume. The sound level you'd hear would be automatically lower on Mars. The Martian atmosphere is about 100 times less dense than on Earth. That affects how sound waves travel from the source to the detector, resulting in a softer signal. On Mars, you'd have to be much closer to the source of a sound to hear it at the same volume as you would on Earth. Third is sound quality. The atmosphere of Mars, made up of 98% carbon dioxide, would absorb a lot of higher-pitched sounds, so only low-pitched sounds would travel long distances. On April 30, 2021, Perseverance has recorded the sounds of the Ingenuity helicopter as it flew on Mars. Also, Perseverance rover recorded sounds of itself driving on Mars. And the laser impacts on a rock target on Mars. This was the Space Daily News. Stay tuned with us and don't forget to subscribe.